He served nearly 2 decades on the highest court before retiring in 2009, but one of his close friends says he wished he served longer.
The court is frequently divided, and David was a person who could seek out middle ground and bring people together.
Tributes tonight for former Supreme Court Justice David Souter. The 85-year-old was born in Melrose before moving to New Hampshire, where he graduated in 1957 from Concord High School.
Having a profound impact on the community, society, giving back to others.
In 2023, Souter was the first inductee to the school's Wall of Fame. Principal Dr. Tim Herbert says he was incredibly humble.
You really couldn't find another candidate on our list of phenomenal alumni who are very accomplished in their field that quite touched every generation like he did.
Souter graduated from Harvard and became New Hampshire Attorney General in 1976, where he also met his close friend and former AG Tom Rath.
He had a respect for with whom he worked and what he did that made him very special.
Souter was nominated to the Supreme Court by President George H.W. Bush and served for 19 years. The conservative justice often siding with liberals. His friend says always guided by the law.
He never had an agenda as a judge other than to get it right.
Now, Souter also served on the First Circuit Court of Appeals in Boston after he left the Supreme Court. He did that in retirement. Again, he died peacefully at his home in rural New Hampshire. He was 85 years old. We're live here in Cambridge. I'm Peter Leopoulos, WCVB News Center 5.